She's real cute. I like her. Hi guys, my name is Kaya. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you aren't new, what's up? You already know what it is. I am back again with another wig review. And today's wig review I'm really happy about because it's really long and it's black blue, and I also love this brand of wigs. Their wigs are pretty awesome from my experience. Today's wig, so this is by Red Carpet. It's a lace front wig. It's by Red Carpet Premiere. This is the wig in the style Thelma RCP 7005. It's a long wavy wig. I know, another long wavy wig, but I like the waves in this one. It looks kind of like blown out, or like washed your hair and then you just let it air dry. That's what, like, that's the vibes that it's giving me from this, so I'm really happy to try it. And then the color is blue black. Blue black. So first I want to say thank you to Divatress for providing me with this wig. I'm super excited to review it. So instead of just talking, we're just gonna go ahead and jump into the review. This is what she looks like coming straight out of the package. Super pretty. I think this looks so gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off of here as well. All right, so here she is. You can definitely see the blue in here, especially if I'm in some really good light. You can see the blue. So hopefully, okay, look. So bringing it closer, you see all that blue, especially right here at the front. The wig does have combs in the front. There's two right here, and then there's one in the back. I'm going to do the adjustable straps just to make it tighter. You learn as you go with wigs, because I found that using the adjustable straps really helps with how it looks and sits on your head. So I love using them. So it stops right past my boob, so it is pretty long, but it's not super duper long. This is what the back of it looks like. Main Concept has definitely done it again with this wig, because I really think it's popping. I feel like this wig can be styled any kind of way. You could probably, honestly, wait, I really think if you were to glue down the sides of this, you could wear this up in a ponytail. A cute mid-high ponytail. If I was to glue down these edges, because then it already has baby hairs on it as well, like it has its own baby hairs, and then you can make your own natural baby hairs. If you guys want to see me style this wig one day, let me know, because I will definitely do that. I think that's so neat that you can actually style this into more styles, because since it doesn't come with the part, you can make your own part, or you can literally wear it back, like straight back, like you just, you know, washed your hair and just let it go. Or you could wear it in a ponytail. So I do like the fact that it's very versatile, that you could wear it in so many different styles. The texture of it is really nice as well. I don't feel like it will tangle much if you take care of it. Now, if you're the type who just like you don't really do much to your wigs, it could possibly, you know, disrupt it and make it where it gets tangled. But besides that, the coloring is also amazing. I love the blue black. I love that you can actually see the blue, because I don't know if you guys have ever tried blue black hair. You don't really ever see the blue in your hair. Like I say, if you buy like a rinse or a dye, you can't really see the blue. It's more so just black, and you never see a hint of blue, to me, from my experience when I've seen blue black hair. I like the fact that you can see the blue in this, because you get the color you asked for, you know? So that's really neat to me. This wig also smells good. I don't know why it has a good fragrance to it, but she smells good. I like it. Surprisingly, you can use a flat iron with this. I don't think much should be done to it, just because I like the natural wave that it has. If you use a flat iron, try not to get rid of the pattern that it has, but I think that's really nice that you can use a flat iron on it. It doesn't necessarily say what temperature you can use, but start off low before going high, just to be safe. The type of hair it says is Canacolon Futura fiber. I've never heard of that before, but so this is a wig I would definitely glue down when I'm about to wear it. I don't want to glue it down now because I'm not going anywhere to be gluing it down, but when I come back to, I'm gonna make a video of me fixing up this wig, so I'll make sure that I'll put that in a card or something, or maybe I'll upload both of those videos on the same day so you guys can also know like how I style it, so that way you can see that for sure. I just wanted you to know exactly how I felt about the wig before I started styling it, because what if I didn't like it? But I really do like this wig. This is something I could definitely see myself wearing out, because I love that I can make it into so many styles. So she's a winner, like I thought. I love main concept, I love red carpet. They're bomb. Okay, you did your thing like always. So I want to say a huge thanks, big shout out to Divatress for providing me with this wig. It's amazing, I love it. Also, if you guys have not tried divatress.com, you definitely should. The reason I say you should is because, I kid you not guys, I have also ordered from them. I've ordered from them, not just getting sent wigs. Their customer service is amazing. You get your order super quick. Like, I'll make an order and I get it like three days later. It's like they're on it with sending you your stuff. You get your email, you get a notification about where your package is, when it's going to be delivered. Like that right there, that's amazing customer service to me. You're not like left in the wind of wondering, when am I going to get my package? So definitely try out Divatress. I'm going to put all the information below that you need to try out their wigs and to try out their website, to check out their website, everything that you need to know, as well as about this wig. So make sure you check out the description box. Guys, if you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. We growing up in here. Definitely subscribe though if you're interested. No pressure. Thanks guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.